What's up world, it's your boy Joe Jack. I'm back with another unboxing video. I got really good feedback from my unboxing videos. They super duper random, but a lot of people like that. First off, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my YouTube channel. I want to thank everybody that like, comment. I appreciate that, and if you're not subscribed, please do so now. And make sure you ring the bell for notifications for every video that I drop. And I want to thank everybody that follow me on Instagram. I'm JoeJackTwo3. Follow the drip. Without further ado, we're gonna get straight into this video. First, we got a couple pickups, just some general releases. Y'all already know I fuck with the general releases. Something that came out recently. We got the Jordan 3 box. These shoes was fire. I don't know why they still sitting on shelves. We got the Retro 3 and the New York Knicks colorway, whatever you want to call them. Threes are some of my favorite silhouettes, so it was a must cop for me. But I thought they was gonna do a little better, but they still sitting on shelves. So if you like them, you should definitely go snatch them, cause I did. Threes are one of my favorite silhouettes. It's a super duper comfortable shoe, and you can do so many things with it. To me, like I said, a lot of people are on the hype shit right now, but this is a super dope shoe. The colorway is so many new things you can do with an outfit. Anything New York Knicks, whether it be a jersey, a fitted, or whatever. Anything New York Mets, whether it be a jersey or a fitted. And that's why I say follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow the drip. You're gonna see how I put these together. Nice jacket or something. Next up, we got Jordan 12 box, another recent pickup. We got the black and royal 12s. This is a super dope shoe, highly anticipated. This actually did do well in stores. Only thing that I don't like about the shoe is the suede. You know, because everybody thought that they was gonna be the leather all the way through like the flu games, but it got the suede on the side, which is cool. It's still a dope shoe, don't get me wrong. You can do a lot of things with it. It's super simple, but I would prefer the leather instead of the suede on the side. But it's still a super dope shoe, and it actually did do well. This was a must cop for me too. Next up, we got the Retro 9 in the red and white and black colorway. Varsity red. Retro 9 is one of my favorite silhouettes as well. It was definitely a must cop for me. They super duper narrow though, so I did get 11.5 in these. It's a nice shoe. Super dope shoe. It's a must cop for me. Next up, this is the Heat. I actually picked these up from Urban Necessities. Shout out to Urban Necessities. They got 2 locations now, one in New York, one in Vegas. I copped these from Vegas. I've been waiting to pull them out. Got a Jordan 3. This is the Do the Right Thing Jordan 3. I always wanted this. Came out in 2006 is when these dropped. Dead stock, of course. I paid a couple dollars for these, a little bit over retail, but it was something that I definitely wanted to add to my collection. I didn't have these back in the day, so it was definitely on my bucket list. This is a dope ass shoe. A lot of people wasn't even collecting shoes whenever these came out. Got the crazy colorway, kind of super duper different. See, it got the Urban Necessity tag on it, size 11, my true size. The suede blue, the yellow midsole, kind of different. It got the lime green Jumpman on the tongue. I don't know why they threw it in there, but I think that made the shoe fire as fuck. Super dope shoe. You don't see these every day in everybody's collection, but now they in mine. These also came with a Jordan card. That's back when all the retros came with the Jordan card. Now we're gonna get into the unboxing portion of the video. I got these off Nike.com. The sneaker app don't always be a hit, but sometimes when you hit, that's what's up. So these are Nike Air Max box. These wasn't super exclusive, but it was just something that I want. I think Air Max, Biotech, crazy, super crazy colorway. This would be super interesting matching up with outfit. It wasn't nothing super exclusive, but crazy, super crazy colorway. This would be super interesting matching up with outfit. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you follow the drip, cause I'm super dope at putting them fits together, man. I think I might start doing outfit grid. Watch for me. It's a super dope shoe, crazy colorway, all types of colors on there. I kind of like that loud shit though. It kind of pop, you know, it stand out. You don't really have to do too much. The Biotech Air Max 90. Next up, we box from Nike. I'm actually waiting on that Nike sponsor. Nike, hit me up. We got a Jordan 1 box. Retro 1 OG high. I think these are Obsidians. Already, I had one pair. Shout out to my homie for hooking me up, but I actually scored another pair off the sneaker app. So shout out to her. I sure appreciate it, but I actually did score another pair off the sneaker app. Can't ever have too many ones. Ones is super duper hot right now. I always been a lover of the ones. Super dope silhouette, and then I'm a Carolina fan, so it was definitely a must pick up for me.
Put in my backpack, yep. We already seen that.
Next up, we got, from here on, I don't know what the hell is in these boxes, I ain't gonna lie to you. They just been sitting, chilling. Look like another Jordan 1 box. Next up, we got the Jordan 1 First Class. Super duper shoe, super duper dope shoe. They did alright. They was to me it was highly anticipated. I don't know. It's hard for me to gauge that shit nowadays. It's something that I wanted, so I was definitely gonna cop it. I think I don't know what I was doing. I ended up paying resale for these, but it wasn't like super duper crazy, like a couple dollars over the retail. Super nice shoe. Kind of got like the tumble leather on there. Got the barcode on the bag. Jordan 1 First Class. On the side, the inside Nike, the inside swoosh is like all yellow. The outside swoosh is like got the yellow outline. Yellow outsole. This is a crazy shoe. Super duper sleeper in my opinion. Kind of like got like the little recycle sign on there. It's a super dope shoe. Nice addition to the collection. Next up, I can already tell what these is. Air Max. Tell by the box. This was a super duper interesting shoe. Super crazy colorway. These are the Air Max 1 Susans. Nice crazy box that it came in. Kind of based off the movie Missing Link. ain't gonna lie, I really wasn't a big fan of this shoe whenever I first seen it, but it's kind of one of them shoes that grew on me, and then my mind went to like playing with different outfits in my head. So I'm like, okay, this would be a nice shoe to cop. Kind of figure it out later on. Crazy colorway, dark kind of fall colors or whatever.
That shoe
Super duper crazy. You got your brown, you got your yellow, your green, your red. The gum sole. A gum sole is always fire. When you're a sneakerhead, the gum sole, that might sell the shoe, no lie. I fuck with the gum soles. Crazy insole, like a cork type material. These is nice. I already got an outfit in my head. Make sure you follow the drip. I'm let y'all know what I do with these on Instagram. Super fire shoe. Red swoosh on one side, like cream swoosh on the other side. Brown midsole, gum outsole. This is a crazy shoe. A lot of people couldn't even handle this shoe. You wouldn't know what to do with it. But watch your boy. Super dope shoe. Next up. Another pair of running shoes. Told you I've been heavy into these running shoes lately. I don't know what it is. They're super duper comfortable though. Like that's another thing that I shout out to all my running shoes, all the Air Max, the Asics and all of that. Like it's a super comfortable shoe. It's an everyday wear. Like if you don't have no Air Max in your collection, like you need to definitely grab you some. Asics are sleepers, not in the sneakerhead community. Asics always been hot, but like in the just the regular general community, like Asics is kind of like sleepers. It's a crazy, interesting colorway, kind of like lime type. These gonna be interesting to match up too.
That'd have been crazy with that jumpsuit.
It would have been, but it was Nike. I try not to mix brands, man.
Yeah.
But these is nice. This is something. I be bored, man. I got a problem. I be bored. I'm ordering shoes. It's a nice shoe though. I like it. Asics Gel Light 3. I actually thought they were gonna be a little darker. It is what it is. Last but not least, this shoe fire. Process of elimination, I already know what these is. This might be one of my favorite shoes out the whole collection, out the whole video. Another Nike box. Air Max 1 anniversaries. These I got them for a nice price. I did pay resale for them, but like after I copped them, they shot up. Like as far as price. Classic. Super duper fire shoe. Can't go wrong with the Air Max. Air Max 1. The red and the gray anniversary joints. This will be easy to put together, but this might be my favorite shoe out the whole video. Okay, I'm lying, these are. But you know I'm a Jordan head for anything. This is a super duper fire shoe. A sneakerhead might hurt you over these. Like this is super duper fire shoe. Nice addition to the collection. got a couple pair of running shoes, a couple pair of Jordans. I tell you, my unboxings be crazy, man. Like I don't know what's gonna be in the boxes, so I know y'all don't know, but I appreciate y'all watching my video. Make sure you comment, subscribe. Make sure you comment below and let me know what y'all think. What's y'all's favorite shoe out of this whole video? The continuance of the sneaker collection video is coming up. I had to get some things together, but I appreciate y'all being patient with me. I appreciate y'all watching. Thank everybody for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do so, and make sure you ring the bell to get notifications. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at JoeJackTwo3. Like I said, I appreciate everybody. Make sure you comment below. Make sure you let me know what you like, what you don't like. Make sure you rate my unboxing 1 through 10. And let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all rocking. Let me know what's hot. Let me know how y'all feel. If y'all want more videos, let me know what type of different videos y'all like. You know, do you like my unboxing videos? Are they too random for y'all? Just let me know. I appreciate everybody. Thank you. It's Joe Jack clocking out.